Skid steer loaders market report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global skid steer loaders market size will be $9,981.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 12.3% from 2024 to 2031. North America skid steer loaders market size of $3,992.48 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 10.5% from 2024 to 2031. Europe skid steer loaders market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $2,994.36 million. Asia Pacific skid steer loaders market size of $2,295.68 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 14.3% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America skid steer loaders market size of $499.06 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 11.7% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa skid steer loaders market size of $199.62 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 12% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.